These are hinges. There's hinges there. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is a wall bunker air raid shelter, which they've been filling in. Look, an air raid shelter. Jump ladders. And they've filled some of it in. Yeah. And it must lead to the well because there's your air pocket coming out. So that, if you dig that down, will connect to this.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. You'll be excited about that.
Yeah.
William and they're paying a fortune for these. We'll have to dig that out, you know.
Yeah.
I don't mean today, in years to come. Because if we ever have to get to safety. There you go. That's cool as fuck. Yay! I'm not digging it out.
No. Put a board over it for now.
And then what we'll do is we'll get my dad to weld some things onto it, even put some new plates over it. Your hinges are at the back here. See all this, we dig all around this is all concrete. And how far does it go? So that goes to there, and I bet you it goes right back there.
Yeah.
And it'll go, hang on, I'll tell you. See? Concrete. It leads right up to your well.
Wow.
That's mental, isn't it? So that's the edge of it. That goes to there. Need to get this muck off. I reckon it goes right back here. And it goes right up to there. That's pretty fucking cool, isn't it?
Awesome. Christmas tree.
Did you get right in? Oh.
And a bunker. Yeah, I got right in there.
Right down that. That's impressive. I'm pretty jealous, man. I've got one of these. What a bitch.
Well, you can always get in there if you like.
I will do if bombs start dropping. How you doing? That's why it's got a steel frame. Never bunking of them. And that used to have a big thing coming off it to padlock it in.
Oh. I can't believe you're going to go in that hole.
Yeah, look.
How far?
It goes right back there. Not just there, it's there. So yeah, it's just a big square room, so it'll be quite deep.
Okay.
I don't know. You let this collapse on me.
How would I do that? It's not going to look good. You're not going to... Oh, shit.
Let's see how big it is. Don't let it close.
I won't, I promise.
I'm a bit claustrophobic.
Hey, you know, I could get buried in here if I wanted to. Lay to rest. Yeah.
That's how big it is.
Yeah, drop the phone.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is a bunker, an air raid bunker. It goes to there. It's not massive, but it'll go right deep. But from what I can tell from this, it's gonna. It's gonna. So it goes back to there. Yeah, it'll be deep. This have it. It'll be worth digging out. There's your stairs coming in. There's your steel plates coming up. I'm jealous. I ain't got one of these.
Oh, them bleeding chickens, man.
Yeah, so if all this were dug out, it'll go right down.
Give me the phone.
Because it's not a cesspit, because cesspits have the drainage thing going into it. They don't have these cesspits, do they? Never at all. That's pretty cool. Or you could turn it into your cesspit, it's up to you.
Yeah.
Because have you seen a cesspit?
Huh?